And go over here. All right, ready? Come here, over on this side. Do you want to get up and bounce for a little bit? And then you can go backwards. Ready? Bounce, 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 bounce. All right, want to flip off? Ready? Hold on to mommy's hands. Whoa! Want to do it more? You want to go on your belly? Here, come here, let's show Flory how we go on our belly. Okay? Ready? On, arms out. Ready? Ooh. Down. Out, arms out. Alright. Come here, we'll do another bounce on your bottom. Here, come here. Ready? Over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bounce, 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 bounce. Want to flip off? Ready? Jeez. You just kind of fell off of that one. Let's try one more time. Ready? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Ready? Want to do it off? Okay. Hold on. Lean that back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. One more on your belly and then we'll stop. Turn around on your belly. Ready? Arms out. And up. Whoa! And can we go side to side? Hold on. Let's go side to side. Ready? Arms out. Side to side.